Hi, I am King Crisis. Happy New Year! Welcome to 2021. I know some of you have written down your New Year's resolution already, some of which you won't be even completing. Let's be honest. Getting a drone might be one of those resolutions. Now I, King Crisis, will be discussing the DJI Mavic Air and how good it is in 2021. So stick around. I will go through the fun stuff, the not so fun stuff, the good stuff, the bad stuff, the complicated stuff, and the simple stuff about getting the DJI Mavic Air. So the DJI Mavic Air was released back in 2018, January of 2018 to be exact. That is almost 3 years ago. A couple more days. It was available for purchasing around January 28th. So this little bad boy here, it's a very small and compact drone, as you can see. Now I have been flying with this bad boy for the past year or so. I purchased mine back in 2019. It's a pretty decent drone, to be honest. Now with the DJI Mavic Air, you can choose to fly with your remote control or your mobile device. The DJI Mavic Air is a Wi-Fi signal drone, meaning it doesn't use radio waves to fly like its bigger brothers, the Mavic Air 2, the DJI Mavic Pro, the DJI Phantom, or the DJI Inspire. Instead, it uses Wi-Fi signals from the remote control or your mobile device to the drone and back. Now, due to this, the range may be shortened or the feedback which you're seeing on your phone in what is taking place in the sky from the drone's camera may be laggy. Now, I'm gonna take this bad boy out for a flight because this bad boy is packed with a lot of cool features and intelligent flight modes. They're very amazing and makes flying even easier for amateurs and dummies. So from those specs that I listed earlier, and from those video examples that I got, and the intelligent flight features that are packed into this bad boy right here, is the Mavic Air for you. On Amazon, you can get the Mavic Air Fly Combo for around $750 USD. So, is the Mavic Air for you in 2021? Well, I am still sticking with my bad boy here, maybe for the next 5 years, who knows. If you want to go and purchase other DJI products such as the Mavic Air 2, which is an upgrade for this bad boy right here, you can click my affiliate link in the description. Also, if you want to see my gears which I use to shoot this video, you can also check my description. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And check out my other videos, they're quite useful. King Crisis.